events.
Bye,
Thank you again to Department of Tourism.
Giniago ba?
I'm with the production director, host, Miss Krisha Daya.
Hi guys, welcome to Philippines Fest. Thank you, Ron.
Yeah, so what can we see here?
So Philippines Fest is all about the Philippines. Hosted by DOT, we're bringing you the flavors and the sounds of the Philippines. So come, have a Filipino party with us, and if you're down for karaoke, that's what we're doing.
Alright, thank you Miss Krisha. Alright, bye, say bye. Bye-bye. Kasama ko ngayon ang presidente na napakabait, napakaganda pa ng Pinoy Cup New York, Miss Maine Anderson.
Hello everyone!
Yeah.
Hello! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat!
Miss Maine, ano mo, business mo?
Dito meron kaming messy donuts. Yan yung trending sa Pilipinas. We brought it here sa New York. So we have the messy donut.
Yes.
Ayan. And then we also have the scramble, the Pinoy scramble, guys.
Saan
Yan.
po namin kayo makatagpuan pag wala tayo dito sa
Kami sa Oriental, sa 32nd and 5th Avenue.
Yeah.
Alright, everyday open.
Ano masabi mo dito sa Philippines, magkakasama-sama lahat ng Filipino business?
Alright guys, so lahat ng mga Pilipino, supportahan natin lang lahat ng Filipino small businesses. Support Filipino.
Thank you, Miss Maine.
Salamat!
Thank you talaga. Thank you. Bye, Pans. Bye, Pans. Close the door. Yun. Alam mo na.
Kahit na wala akong pera. Come on, everybody, sing with me. Kahit na matasakin mo sa buwan. Kahit pa maong ko'y kupas na. Hey, kahit pa marami tiyang iba. Ganito man ako. Hey, simpleng tao ang maipagayabang ko lang sa'yo. Pag-ibig ko sa'yo na di mapabago. At kahit na anong bagyo, ika'y masusundo. Ganito man ako, simpleng tao ang magyayabang ko lang sa'yo. Hey! Hindi mo naman ang kailangan na sagutin ang aking hinihiling. Nais lang maparating na hindi mo muling dadaloy ang luha. Pupunasan ang kusa, di kailangang manghula. Kahit pagmasahin lang ang palagi kong gala. Upang makasama ka, kapag natikita ka, lagi ka nga alalayan kahit anong mamangyo. Mga ibinulong, maraming masabalo. Ito lang mga hey! Na di magbabago. At kahit na anong bagyo, ika'y masusundo. Ganito man ako, simpleng tao na umaasa hanggang ngayon. Kay Spider-Man o kay Batman, kay Superman o Wolverine. Kahit di maintindihan, baka sakaling pansinin. Ganito man ako, simpleng tao na umaasa.
Ay mga idol, kasama ko ngayon si Kuya Chris ng Sisig ng Bayan.
Hi everybody, this is Chris from Sisig ng Bayan. Please do support my friend, Boy George Inasal, Project Barcara, and Philippines Fest.
Yes. Thank you. Bye, Pans. Close the door, idol. Close the door. Yan. At syempre, huwag niyo kakalimutan ang Kalye. Oh, idol, anong best seller nyo dito sa Kalye?
Siyempre, yung pork skewers natin tsaka sliders, di ba? Kakaiba yung lasa.
Ano pa?
Ube bao.
Ubi Pao. Saan namin kayo matatagpuan pag wala kayo sa pop-up?
251 Broome Street.
Lower East Side, Manhattan. Saka abangan nila yung isa.
Yes, check us out please. Ay, yung bago sa 111 Rivington Street. Malapit
Yeah.
lang.
Kalye 2.0. Oh, let's go.
Kalye 2.0.
Alright, Kalye. Bye, Pans. Bye, Pans. Bye, Pans. Alright, close. Ay, close the door. Gilayo, sakto ka. Oh. Gilayo. Kalye. East Tibog. Ay, ito pala yun. Ay. East Tibog. Ano na yung dito sa East Tibog?
Siomai, Rangoon, lumpia, and lumpia nacho. Lumpia nacho.
Okay, saan namin kayo matatagpuan pag wala kayo dito sa PES, Filipino PES?
We only do pop-ups right now, but we have IG, so you can visit us.
East Tibog. Alright, thank you!
Thank you.
Bye, Pans! Bye! Hi, Pans! Oh, ikaw? Yes. Idol.
Welcome to the second anniversary of Philippine Fest.
Okay, ulit. Okay.
Welcome to the second anniversary of Philippines Fest in Times Square, the heart of New York City. Super mga kaibigan.
Oh, mga idol, natagpuan ko ang pinaka-chill ng kabisera. Gio, ang boss tayo ng New York. Gio! Yay! Idol, ano nakikita natin din sa kabisera?
Meron kami ditong masupi.
Asan yan? Pakita mo, idol. Baka mo yan. Mike. Ayan, nasa to.
Hello.
Ayan. Ano yan?
Ito yung tinatawag na spam masupi.
Alright.
Rice and spam.
Masarap ba yan?
Masarap.
Okay, ano pa? Ano pa specialties nyo?
Meron kami ditong vegetable lumpia masupi.
Alam mo ko nyo, ganyan. Oh, yan.
Ayan, malapit na.
Vegetable yan?
Oh, vegetable lumpia masupi.
Para sa mga bigan.
Tapos meron kami dito Filipino lumpia, pork lumpia.
Yan, ang bestseller.
Masubi.
Okay, masubi, ang galing.
Tapos meron kami dito na shrimp tempura masupi.
Shrimp tempura. Ano pa? Yung squid, gusto ko yung squid.
Ayan, ito isa sa pinakamasarap sa kabisera.
Ano yan?
Ang squid.
Okay.
Squid.
Fried squid. At saka, ubi biko.
Ubi biko.
Chicken wings.
Fried chicken.
Ano pa?
Yan.
Yan lang yun.
Yan.
Saan namin kayo matatagpuan dito sa New York?
Meron kami store sa Canal Street Market.
Canal 265. Nahinay nyo ang chill. Ang cool chill. Boss ko yan na New York. Gio. Tara, isuportahan natin lahat ng Filipino business dito sa New York. Ayan o. Tara, libutin natin. Sanama ako. Interview natin yung mga pagkain dito, mga restaurant. Dito. Tara. Tama, nakita yun. Tato. Sige ba? Okay na. Bye, Pans. Bye, Pans. Bye, Pans. Close the door.
Support sa Philippine Fest.
Okay, close the doors.
With his song. Yeah. I heard he sang a good song.
Ate Mai! Hey guys! Woo! Hey guys!
This young one, a stranger to my eyes, strumming my pain with his fingers, singing my life with his words, killing me softly with his song, killing me softly. With his words.
idol?
Birria, chicken adobo birria tacos, straight from North Carolina.
Alright. Ubus na ba?
We got, you want some?
No, later. I will try your food, okay? Thank you. Ito kabila. Patok by rates. Ito, ang laki ng patok by rates. Interviewin natin yung mga pogi lang. Patok by rates. Guys, sila dyan? Ano meron dito? Idol, kay patok by rates.
Lechon belly ko, the best belly pork in New York City.
Yes, sir. Si Ma'am Rach. Ayun pala si Ma'am Rach. Mag-hi lang tayo. Ma'am Rach! Hi! Hello! Okay, for the second time around. Pour natin guys ha. Ito, patok by Rach. Ito, inasal. Sino ba? Batchoy. Boy George inasal. Ay, ano meron dito? Inasal, lapas Batchoy. Ilonggo food gin. Yeah.
Sanamit gin.
Saan kayo matatagpuan pag wala kayo dito sa Philippine Fest?
Pop-up kami.
Pop-up
pa lang ngayon.
Pop-up.
Yeah, second year of pop-up.
Okay, please support Philippine Fest.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Salamat.
Hi guys. What's in here?
Supportahan ang Philippine Fest!
Yay! Thank you. Lechon Bay. Saan ka nagpuan ng Lechon Bay?
New Jersey!
Okay, thank you guys. Thank you. Lechon Bay. Guys, ano tayo ngayon sa So Sarap? Idol, anong special dish dito sa So Sarap?
So meron po kami barbecued skewers like chicken, pork, beef, and we have longganisa, and then hot dogs, kikiam, and then fish balls and kwek-kwek. So Sarap, please support So Sarap and then Philippine Fest. Let's go!
Thank you. Bye,
Let's
fans.
go.
Bye, fans. Okay. So Sarap. Woo! Barbecue. Haba ng pila nila guys, oh. Gandun. So Sarap. Hi guys, kasama ko yung pinakamalapit na sound engineer dito sa New York, Marco Cuenca.
Saan yung mga musikang Pilipino? Just call me. That's it.
That's it. Yan, Marco Cuenca dito sa Times Square, guys. Let's go, let's go. Bye, friends. Bye. Peace, show. Go to there. So Sarap, Sorbeteros. Kuya, how much for one cone?
We only serve with bread, tinapay, and we do 2 scoops, $7.
Where can we find you?
Saturdays, Williamsburg, Marshall P. Johnson State Park. Sunday, Smorgasburg 2. It's
Okay,
gonna be Prospect Park.
We'll see
Also
you.
Friday, World Trade Center.
World Trade Center. We'll see you. Alright. Sorbetes, Philippine Fest. Hello, Kuya. What's in here?
What's going on, man? How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Doing well, doing well.
What are you selling here?
We're doing basketball merch. So name of the brand is 3 Point. New York-based streetwear basketball brand. Got a couple of Filipino flag tees here, some Knicks t-shirts.
Yeah.
Come check us out.
Where can we find you?
Filipino Fest. Come support us.
Yeah, okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Please stop. Alright. Ate, ano meron dito sa Florence?
Hi! So we sell 40-karat gold filled, can shower in these pieces, bleach pool, and hindi siya magkukupas or mag-tarnish.
Saan po namin kayo matatagpuan pag wala kayo dito sa pop-up?
I have my online store po, www.florence.com.
Okay, pa-plus ko na lang po yan. Okay, please support Philippine Fest.
Yes!
Okay,
Thank you.
bye. Okay, close the door.
Nadaraan, ikaw pa ang nakita. Ikaw pa ang nakita. May kasamang dalaga. Mama, dito na lang. Bababad ako. Mama, dito na lang. Heto ang balak ko. Para nasal, para mama, para nagtutulakan ang dinaanan ko sa paghabol sa'yo. Nag-aabot ng masasakyan patungo kung saan di ko malaman. Limang taong nagunahan sa unting sasakyang nagdaraan. Sayang ang jeepney kanina'y lulad. Bakit kaya nga sing along with me? Sa tuwing ka'y nakikita, sana naman magpakilala. Ilang ulit na magkabangga, akak kong dalay pinulit mo pa. Di ka pa rin nagpakilala. Araw-araw sinusundan, di ka naman titingin. Anong aking dapat gawin? Bakit kaya umiiwas? Pinti ko ba'y mayroong gasgas? Sana naman magpakilala. Dito'y mayroong sa puso ko, munting puwang naayos sa'yo. Maaari na bang magpakilala? Bawat araw sinusundan, di ka naman titingin. Anong aking dapat gawin? Kailan mo ba mapapansin ang aking kahit anong aking gawin? Di mo pinapansin. Kailan haplusin ang puso?
Marco, bye, Pons! Marcos! Ginagawa mo! Bye, Philippines! Love. 3. Hi guys, andito tayo ngayon sa Balesa. Hi! What is your name?
My name is Brian Buito.
What are you selling here?
Selling anime-inspired Filipino designs that pays tribute to the Philippines.
Yes. Where can we find you when there's no pop-up event here?
You can actually find us at our store location, which is opening up in August, which will be 108 Madison Street in Chinatown.
Alright, we'll keep on posted.
Yeah, we'll
Okay.
keep you posted. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Bye.
Thank you so much.
Bye, tita. Salamat po. Okay. Hanggang doon yan, dulo. Tara, samahan niyo ako guys. Libutin natin. Let's go! Yapayuki. So, tingnan natin dito. Idol! Ano meron dito?
What's up? What's up?
Ano meron dito?
I'll just hold it. So like we're almost out with our beef steak. We're solo with our sisig already, so you missed that one out there. But then we still have the chicken adobo. We also have the lumpia, the pancit. We have the turon and banana cue, and of course our very own pianola and our ubi cheese panisao.
From Kapamilya Food Truck.
Kapamilya food truck. Let's go check it out.
Alright, man. Thank you.
Until you get tired. How's your body? How's your body? How's your body to the base? I'll see it all across the place and don't let nobody get your way. So make sure never take no damn. That purpose get you wrong. Say what? House music all night long. Say what? House music all night long. Say what? House music all night long. Say what?
We got the lumpia. We got the lumpia today. How is it? Very good. Very delicious. You like it, guys? You like it? Yes, yes. All right. Okay. Bye, Vans. Close the door. Close the door. Go. Oh, yes. 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 Close the door.
I want to be a part of it. New York, New York, these vagabond blues are longing to stray right through the very heart of it. New York, New York. That doesn't sleep, and find I'm king of the hill, top of the heap. These little town blues are melting away. I'll make a brand new start of it in old New York. If I can take it
Idol, baka di ka pa nagsasubscribe sa aking YouTube channel. Yan na rin ang aking Facebook account at yan na rin ang aking Instagram. Aba, galaw-galaw na mga idol. Bye, fans na ulit. Thank you for watching ulit.